Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. So in our 17 videos in 17 hours challenge, we are doing the 15th video. So in this video, we are going to see the list of free services which Google provides, Google Cloud Platform provides. You may quickly say Google provides free tier for $300 for 12 months. That's for learning purpose. Once you go into a production mode where you have a paid account under your organization, you need to know the list of free services which Google provides. Free is always good, right? So let's look into the list of free services which Google provides, and it's very crystal clear in the documentation. Free is free. No terms and conditions apply there. Let's look into that. So whenever as a cloud architect you wanted to know the pricing, right, whether it's free or not free, the best tool is always to come to your pricing calculator. So that's where I'm in currently. So you see there are various services, and based on the data which you fill in, you'll get to know what is the price of that. So, but nobody has explored the last component. What is that last component? The last component is free. What are the list of services which you get free out of the box? So deployment manager, which is really a good one, which is like infrastructure as code, so somewhat equivalent to your Terraform. So that is something free totally which you get. Then cloud SDK, resource manager API, these are something which is free, which is mentioned in the pricing calculator itself. I would say pricing calculator itself provides free, so this pricing calculator provides all free of charge. I don't think so pricing calculator should be charged, but that's a fun part, I would say. That's one set of services which is free, which is very clear in the documentation. The second set of services which I have figured it out is cloud router, a very, very important component when you're communicating between on-premise and GCP with dynamic routing, where you have BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, implemented. Cloud router plays a major role, and it is very clear from the documentation. You see cloud router is provided free of charge. Very simple. So the only cost which you are going to do is for the note, the general cost applies only the control plane of your BGP traffic. So there would be a very negligible cost in most of the cases is what they say. So it's a good thing you need to leverage. So if as a cloud architect I have given a choice between static routing and dynamic routing, the only difference which is going to come is the cloud router component. And since cloud router is already by default it is free, I will definitely leverage dynamic routing in most of the cases. So that is the key takeaway from it. And the last one and the most important thing and the most favorite for me is Cloud IAM. Cloud IAM, Identity and Access Management API, is totally free of cost. The most important component where you control the access to an identity, whether it's a human or a machine or an API, that is totally free of cost. So that's the important thing. Please let me know if you have figured it out any other free component. Please put that in the comment section. We can do an interactive conversation on that. So that's the video which I wanted to share, this list of free services which I had figured it out while doing some real projects. So that's our 15th video in our challenge series. Thank you for watching.